Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to learn alphabet recognition G to L. So let's start. So children, see, this is Mamma G. Mamma G, baby G. G says go. G says go. And see the objects. G for girl, G for grapes, G for gun, G for guava, G for guitar, G for gate, G for giraffe, G for gorilla, G for gurudwar, G for gardener, G for gloves, G for goat, G for ginger, G for goggles, G for greeting card, G for goldsmith. गोल्डस्मिथ म्हणजे सोनार काका असतात ना, सोन्याच्या दुकानात आपण जातो ते. G for globe, G for goldfish, G for goose. So many words are there. So do this practice. Now next alphabet, that is H. See, Mamma H, baby H. Mamma H, baby H. H says her. H says her. H for hand, H for horse, H for hat, H for hut, H for hippopotamus, H for helicopter, H for honeybee, H for house, H for harmonium, H for hanger, H for hill, H for hair, H for hen, H for hammer, H for hairbrush, H for handkerchief, H for horn, H for harp, H for hawker. Now children, after H, alphabet I comes. See, this is alphabet I. Mamma I, baby I. I for ice cream. And what is the phonic sound of I? I says E. I says E. I for ice cream. I for ice. I for iron. I for ink pot. I for idol. I for infant. I for insect. I for infantryman. I for image. I for island. I for inch. I for ibis. I for ivy. I for impala. I for igloo. So children, after I comes J. See, this is J. Mamma J, baby J. J says jo. J says jo. J for joker. J for jeep. J for jackfruit. J for jet. J for jelly. J for jug. J for jackal. J for juice. J for jar. J for judge. J for jam. J for jewelry. J for jellyfish. J for jacket. J for jockey. J for jasmine. J for jaguar. J for jay. J for jackdaw. After J, which alphabet comes? Alphabet K. So let's learn. See, this is Mamma K, baby K. Mamma K, baby K. K says K. K says K. Let's learn the objects. K for king. K for knife. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for kennel. K for kite. K for knee. K for kitten. K for koala bear. K for knot. K for keg. K for krill. K for kettle. K for kiwi. K for kiwi fruit. See, these are difficult words, so we are not going to take these words. So after K, which alphabet comes, children? L. See, this is alphabet L. Mama L, baby L. Mama L, baby L. L says L. L says L. So let's learn the objects. L for lion, L for latch, L for leg, L for lute, L for lollipop, L for lily, L for lizard, L for leopard, L for lips, L for luggage, L for lock, L for leaf, L for ladder, L for lantern, L for lake, L for locket, L for lotus, L for log, and L for lemon. So children, these are the recognition of alphabets G to L.